Hello students, what are some object oriented principles? See, C++ supports object orientation. You know Java is again object oriented language. Python also supports object orientation. Now what are the main features come under this object orientation? The first one is class concept, then object concept, inheritance, polymorphism, then encapsulation, abstraction, dynamic binding, message passing. What is object? Any runtime entity that may have physical or logical existence, you can call it as object. See, the example is this marker. This is a object. I am an object of person class like this. Now you can consider logical entity like bank account as an object also. Now what is class? Class is nothing but a blueprint to represent similar kind of objects. Means you can create a class. Getting means for representing different students, we can create a class student. That class will have some attributes, means variables, and some methods. Getting? Now what is encapsulation? We are just binding together data and functionality in a single unit known as class. That is encapsulation. Means what? See, whenever we are creating class student, then we will just bind together like data about that student, means roll number, name, and functionality like you can accept student information, then display student information. That overall we will group together inside a class, and that is nothing but encapsulation. Now what is abstraction? Abstraction refers to only showing essential features by hiding background details. Means see, inside a class we will write some methods or member functions. The details of those member functions are inside a class, but for using that class there is no need to about how those methods are implemented. We can directly call methods of that class by creating objects of that class. That is the concept of abstraction. Then polymorphism, one thing having many forms is the concept of polymorphism. Means we can write different functions having same name but different arguments. That is the concept of method overloading, or you can call it as a function overloading. That comes under polymorphism. Then inheritance. Inheritance means suppose already created some class is there and from that you are creating new class, then that is the concept of inheritance. The biggest advantage of inheritance is reusability. Then message passing, object can communicate with each other by calling methods of each other by passing messages to each other. That is the concept of message passing. Getting? Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.